जी नाज़रीन, आपको बताएं वज़ीर आज़म की कोऑर्डिनेटर शीज़ा फातिमा का तकरीब से ख़ताब, आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
And if balance of payments is really our largest issue that we're trying to tackle today, and a puzzle that we're trying to solve, it is absolutely clear that digitization and digital exports are truly the biggest piece of this puzzle. I am clear on this, Honorable Prime Minister is clear on this, his cabinet is clear on this, and we are actively and aggressively taking measures to ensure for Pakistan. This would like to also put forward the vision, which is a really challenging but a very exciting journey towards national digitization in three critical verticals: governance, economy, and society. I'm not going to go into the details of this right now. To vision of the Prime Minister, but I'm just going to say that in all of this, there are always two ways to go, two paths to take. If you want to get somewhere quickly, you go alone, but if you want to reach far, you go together. However, all our deadlines were yesterday. All of you who've worked with the Prime Minister know that. So we have to go far, but we have to go quickly. And with that, I would like to request all of you to be a part of this journey. We are absolutely committed to collaborations, to local alliances, and also international partnerships. We understand the value of working together. We understand the value of collaborating. And we also are absolutely, it's a firm belief that there is no other way forward except that everybody moves together with a single goal on a single pathway. And there's no doubt that mobile is our future. I would like to reiterate the fact that the foundation of all of this will always be mobile services and accessibility to devices, whether we talk about the gender digital divide, we talk about accessibility, we talk about inclusion, we talk about affordability. This is something that we can never, never forget. And how amazing is a smartphone? This is an absolute genius of a human invention. It really, truly brings the world to your doorstep. It allows you to do business from behind the four walls, sitting in a village where no road ever reached. It allows you to get educated in places where schools do not exist. It allows you to really think, relentlessly create, and absolutely really let go and unlock each and every potential that all of us hold. And with this understanding is why we keep focusing on accessibility in terms of internet, in terms of devices, which are absolutely growth that we want to take. Multiple projects that we're undertaking, including projects like Smartphones for All, which is in the process. Honorable Prime Minister's vision also remains that affordable devices is something that we all need to focus on. We're grateful to our telecom operators who are cooperating, PTA, which is an essential part of this, the whole project. We're working on trying to ensure that all our students, young people, have access to affordable laptops, tablets, so that their education and their employment is ensured at all levels. With this, I would like to once again thank our honorable guests from DSMA, congratulate everyone who's made today possible. But I would like to especially thank some people who are really the driving force. You know, I'm the person who comes on the stage and makes this speech, but there's quite a few people who are actually doing the work behind us, and I feel that it's always important to ensure and acknowledge their hard work. I would like to really thank the Pakistan Telecom Authority and the chairman, Major General Hafiz, for his unwavered support and commitment not only to the sector, but
जी नाज़रीन, आपको बताएं वज़ीर आज़म की कोऑर्डिनेटर शिज़ा फातिमा तकरीब से ख़ताब कर रही थी। अब चलते हैं मामूल की नशरियात की तरफ।